Welcome to Text University. In this tutorial, we're diving into ticketing in the Settings panel, where you customize how support requests are tracked, categorized, and resolved in Text app. Whether you're managing a small team or scaling up operations, the ticketing settings give you the structure and automation you need to stay efficient. To access it, head to Settings and find Ticketing. Here, you'll find 4 core tools that help define your support workflows. Let's break each of them down. Start by shaping how your communication looks. Under Email Templates, you can fully customize the appearance and tone of the messages customers receive, from confirmation emails to ticket replies. If you want your emails to be formal, friendly, or branded with your own style, this is where you make those changes. It's a small touch that makes your support experience feel more personal and professional. Email notifications in the ticketing settings let you enable alerts for key ticket updates or account activity when no agent has been assigned to the ticket yet. These notifications are configured per team, and they help ensure that important ticket activity doesn't go unnoticed. Here's what you can enable. New ticket update. Agents will receive a notification when a requester either opens a new ticket or sends a follow-up message to an unassigned ticket. New team assigned. Agents are notified when their team has been assigned to a ticket, giving them a clear signal that the issue is now under their scope. These notifications go out to all agents in the selected team, so nothing falls through the cracks when tickets are waiting to be picked up. Moving on, we have API and Webhooks. The API documentation is designed to help you extend, integrate, and automate customer support operations across platforms. It provides a flexible way to connect external systems, manage workflows, and customize how support data is handled, all without relying solely on the HelpDesk interface. Whether you're scaling operations or syncing data across tools, the API enables smoother, more efficient service management. And lastly, ticket tags. Tags are a powerful way to organize your workflow. You can label tickets with anything from bug or feature request to priority client or billing issue. Once you apply tags, you can filter, sort, and prioritize tickets more easily in the inbox. So that's your overview of the ticketing settings in Text app. With just a few tweaks, you can streamline communication, standardize workflows, and automate repetitive steps, all while delivering faster, more consistent support. If you need help configuring any of these options, just open Chat with Support inside your Text app. Our team is here to guide you through every step. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.